I'm on Ocean Parkway, and look what I'm being told me. This guy is hustling down Ocean Parkway.
Oh my God.
Zalmi, what's going on today? Can you stop a minute?
Oh, I gotta keep running, gotta keep moving.
You keep moving. Let me just put that mic on and you can keep on running.
Yeah.
What are you running for today?
I am running for the Perlowitz show.
You still doing my challenge?
I'm still doing your challenge, man.
All right, let me ask you a serious question, Zalmi.
Yeah.
How long does it take you to run down one block of Ocean Parkway?
About, I don't know, 10 minutes, 20 minutes.
No, it should not take you 20 minutes to do one block of Ocean Parkway.
Oh,
Zalmi.
really?
And I told this to your friend Sholem Mayer when I met him at Prospect Park running.
Okay.
Yeah, Sholem Mayer from Crown Heights as well. I love these Crown Heights guys. I can't keep up with you, Zalmi.
I don't know because
she's going pretty quick, Zalmi.
Yeah.
All right, Zalmi. That's it. Can we sit down 1 minute?
Yeah. Right here.
Go sit down on this guy here. Sit down right.
Okay.
Zalmi.
Chaim, I'm out of breath.
Let me tell you, Zalmi. I told this to your friend Sholem Mayer. I'm gonna tell it to you as well. Okay. First of all, I love that when you run, you have your hat and your kapota. That makes it, that gives you the koyach. But, when I met your friend Sholem Mayer at Prospect Park, I told him the same thing I'm gonna tell you. You cannot run in this state, okay? Running is healthy, very healthy, but when you run, your feet hurt?
Yes.
You feel out of breath?
Yes.
All right, Zalmi, this is what we're gonna do. I sent Sholem Mayer there, I'm gonna take you too, okay? Sholem Mayer is rocking that already, all right? He's doing shots, Sholem Mayer, and he's doing a phenomenal job with the shots.
Oh, wow.
Zalmi, you're gonna come with me. We're gonna go to the doctor.
Okay.
And they are going to give you a shot that's going to change your life.
Chaim, everybody says shots. I am so afraid of it.
Oh, you're afraid of a shot? Don't worry, it doesn't bite. It's just a little pinch. But the shot I'm taking you to is something that you won't get an experience anywhere. The doctor is your doctor. He's there for you, with you. He's going to guide you. It's not just some random thing that you have no idea what's going on. Why should I even keep on talking to you? Zalmi, come with me. Let's go.
Okay, let's
do this. All right, Kevin. We're going to go with Zalmi now. We're going to take him to the doctor, actually. We're going to get it to the doctor, and we're going to get the most awesome shot that works. Shot that works, Zalmi. Let's do this. Right. Here we are. We brought you into the doctors. We have Dr. Ray and Dr. Inslich. Say hello to them.
Hello.
How are you?
Baruch Hashem, how are you?
Good. How do you feel?
So, docs, I met Zalmi. Zalmi, he can take a seat, Zalmi. I met Zalmi running on Ocean Parkway. I told him, Zalmi, you had a breath. That's not gonna work like that. You gotta come over here, meet the doctors who I'm very close to, Dr. Ray and Dr. Isla. We met already before. And he asked me, Zalmi, I'm scared of shots. I'm scared of, I don't know who the doctor, I don't know what. When I said, Zalmi, come in. You'll meet the doctors. They'll tell you about the shots. And you'll shred it. And then you'll be able to run down Ocean Parkway like a breeze. All right?
Okay, have you been trying to lose weight?
Oh my gosh, doctor, nothing works.
All right, so I have just a treatment for you, something that actually is proven to work and will actually improve your health. And here it is. Let me just show you what it is. And,
no way. No way.
This is it.
Is that real, Dr. Ray? My goodness.
Would you like me to try it on you?
Not on me, Zalmi. Do you want to get such a shot?
The needle is tiny. It's only given once a week. But don't forget, you gotta eat healthy and exercise. I'm gonna keep saying it. And I'm gonna make sure they don't cut this out of the film. You have to eat healthy and you have to exercise. That's the main part.
Yeah.
There are some minor side effects, and I'll be happy we can discuss it at length, longer than he'll stick around for the video. And we can go all the different questions and concerns that you have. I'm gonna let Dr. Inslich take over now and talk to you about this.
Okay then.
And I think everybody who's taking a shot should be monitored and should be able to ask various questions while they're on the medication.
I told Zalmi, when you come out here and meet Dr. Ray and Dr. Inslich, you're actually with a provider. So you're not just on your own ordering shots from some website. You don't know what's happening. You don't know what the side effects are. Of course, it's going to make in the advertising. It's going to look very rosy and, beautiful. Get the shot, lose pounds. But that's why we're out here today at an actual doctor's office with Dr. Ray, who's tens of years in the line, who will tell you what the side effects are, who will put you on the appropriate dose, and etc., to make sure that it actually works. So it's not just a fluffy ad that we're doing. This is real, and the doctor's here to tell you if it works or it doesn't and what exactly the side effects are. Honesty, and that's what Slendid is all about. Are you ready for the biggest shot in history to be administered now? Give us a large shot. Zalmi, are you ready to take such a shot? Dr. Ray and Dr. Inslich are now going to perform the biggest shot on a human being. 3, 2. All right, Kevin, let's jump into it. I mean, how does it feel after you got that shot over there? Amazing, no?
Yeah, it felt
Pretty cool.
Owie, but it was good.
It was good. Dr. Inslich, okay? Before we wrap up the video today, Dr. Inslich, how many years is he in the line?
45 years.
45 years in the line.
45 years.
Pretty much, huh?
Pretty amazing. You
I
know?
think we could trust Dr. Inslich. Dr. Inslich, last question for today. A lot of people say they have a hard time doing exercise.
Yes.
Okay? So how does it work, the shot without exercise?
So you have to continue to do exercise, because what the shot does is it makes you lose weight, and you can lose some muscle with it. Unfortunately, when you're this heavy, when you're overweight, it's very hard to do exercise, and it may not even be that safe to do that intense exercise. So as you take the shots, you start seeing yourself losing weight. As you lose weight, you'll be able to do more, starting with walking, and then you'll do more advanced.
Got it. All right. Thank you, Doctor. Zalmi, are you ready for the shots?
Oh yeah! With the
Doctor, you want to see him do a little boombox? Give the doctor a boombox.
Okay. Tell me ready. 1, 2, 3. Hey, diggy diggy diggy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The
Doctor, now imagine Zalmi 200 down. Gonna be rocking away, doing the gigs, doing the...
You'll be jumping around.
He'll be doing the breakdancing.
Michael Jackson.
Kevin, that's my next one. Kevin, it was so nice. After seeing this video of Slendid, I'm dreaming of taking the shots. But initiate outside in Koiches, you have to go to the doctor's office, talk to the doctor. So there's a very simple solution. You don't have to go down on Slendid. You could just go to slendid.com and have a Zoom meeting with the doctor or a phone call with the doctor. And like that, you don't have to schlep down. So you get the mala of not having to order from a company that you have no idea and they have no idea what's doing with you. You just order and get like, you order something in the grocery store. With Slendid, it doesn't work like that. You're actually talking to a doctor, you're seeing a doctor, whether it's coming down in person or talking over the phone on Zoom. So you have all those benefits. Plus, they're the cheapest, the most affordable, super good quality. Like off camera, I spoke to the doctors afterwards. Like the quality of the shots are the real deal. So you're getting everything all in one amazing place. So Chevra, I'm gonna put the information on the screen. Hit them up. Fast, quick, efficient, and safe.